Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting chapter of science class 10th. The name of the chapter is Human Eye and the Colorful World. So dear students, our first question is what is meant by power of accommodation of eye? The answer is the ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length to see near and far objects is known as power of accommodation of eye. Our second question is a person with myopic eye cannot see object beyond 1.2 meter distantly. What should be the type of the corrective lens used to restore proper vision? The answer is concave lens. Dear students, our third question is what is the far point and near point of human eye with normal vision? The answer is 25 cm from eye. So dear students, our fourth question is a student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect of the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected? So dear student, the answer of this question is a student has difficulty in reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. It shows he is unable to see distinct objects clearly. He is suffering from myopia. This defect can be corrected by using concave lens. So well students, now we discuss exercise question answer. So dear students, our first question is the human eye can focus objects at different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to accommodation. Second is the human eye forms a single image of an object at its retina. Our third question is the least distance of distant vision for a young adult with normal vision is about 25 centimeter. Our first question is the change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of the ciliary muscles. Well students, now we will discuss the question number 8. Why is a normal eye not able to see clearly the object placed closer than 25 cm? The answer is because ciliary muscle of the eye are unable to contract beyond a certain limit. So we can't see clearly the object placed closer than 25 cm. Dear student, our ninth question is what will happen to the image distance in the eye when we increase the distance of an object from the eye? The answer is image is always formed on retina, even on increasing the distance of an object from eye. From this eye, lens become thinner to increase its focal length. Well students, now we will discuss a very interesting question of this chapter. Why do stars twinkle? So the answer is stars twinkle due to the atmospheric refraction of light. Stars are very far away from the earth. Hence, they are considered as point source of light. When the light coming from stars enter the earth's atmosphere, it gets reflected. Because of variations in the air density at different level of atmosphere, the light intensity entering in our eye changes regularly. Therefore, it appears as if the stars are twinkling at night. Well students, our 11th question is explain why planets do not twinkle. Well students, the answer is planets do not twinkle because they appear larger in size than the stars as they are relatively closer to the earth. Planets can be considered as collection of large number of point-sized sources of light. The different part of these planets produce either brighter or dimmer effect in a such way that the average of brighter and dimmer effect is 0. Hence, the twinkling effect of planets are fulfilled and they do not twinkle. Well, students, our question number 12 is, why does the sun appear reddish early in the morning? The answer is, during sunrise, the light rays coming from the sun have to travel a greater distance in the Earth's atmosphere because reaching our eye in this journey, the shorter wavelength of light are scattered out only longer wavelengths, red, orange, yellow, are able to reach our eyes. Therefore, the sun appears reddish early in the morning. Dear students, our question number 13 is, why does the sky appear dark instead of blue to an astronaut? So the answer is, the sky appears dark instead of blue to an astronaut because there is no atmosphere in the outer space that can scatter the sunlight. As the sunlight is not scattered, no scattered light reaches the eyes of astronauts and the sky appears black to them. Dear students, our question number 14 is, draw a bell level diagram of human eye. So dear students, you have to draw a well labeled and neat and clean diagram of human eye on your notebooks with the help of this diagram. So dear students, in this video we discussed the question answer of chapter number 11, Human Eye and the Colorful World. I hope you all understand all the questions. For more videos and updates, do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you dear students.